In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Onn headphones. So in case you're having issues with them, the first thing we need to do is to actually turn them off. Okay, so over here they're turned on. As you see, the LED is showing red and blue. Turn them off by pressing 2 seconds on the power button. Okay, I heard powered off and now the LED is turned off. Turn them back on again by pressing the power button. Press 3 seconds. Okay, now they're powered on. What you need to do is to press the volume down and volume up both at the same time until the LED over here stays red. So this is what we'll do. I'll press volume down, volume up, and I'm watching this LED. It's blue. Okay, now it's red. I know it's hard to see. You can release once you see red. It looks more like a purple color rather than red, but it's there. Definitely I can see it. And once you see that, you simply need to turn them off. So press the power button. Okay, now they're powered off, and power them back on again to start using them. So press the power button to 3 seconds until you see powered on, and you'll be able to pair them with a new device and use them. Hopefully this was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.